In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Rocket Money mobile app with an easy step-by-step installation guide. Technology can sometimes be daunting, especially when trying to figure out the simplest of tasks, but rest assured, by the end of this video, you'll have the Rocket Money app downloaded and ready to use on your device. Let's dive right in so you can begin utilizing this helpful tool without any fuss. First, we need to search for the Rocket Money mobile app using your preferred web browser. So, open up your Google search page and simply type in Rocket Money mobile app. By doing this, we can ensure we're accessing the correct app from the verified source. Once you hit search, you'll see several results pop up. What you're going to want to do is click on the official website link that appears in your search results. This will redirect you to the website where you can find direct links to download the app. Once you land on the web page, take your time to scroll down. You're looking for the section that highlights options for downloading the app. It should clearly display the choices, allowing you to either download from the App Store if you're on iOS or Google Play if you're using an Android device. This is a critical step because selecting the correct store aligns with your device's operating system and avoids any potential download errors or compatibility issues. Now here's the crucial part. When you find the section that offers the download through the App Store or Google Play, you will click on the respective link. If you're on your computer like I am today, don't worry, you can still click the link to initiate the process, but once you do, switch over to your mobile device. On your mobile, tap the install button if you're using Google Play or the get button if you're on the App Store. What this does is officially begin the download and installation process on your smartphone or tablet. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed, but should generally be quite quick. As the installation wraps up, you will notice the Rocket Money app icon appear on your home screen or in your app drawer, ready for you to open and begin using. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the Rocket Money mobile app. Now you can explore what Rocket Money has to offer, managing finances right from the comfort of your handheld device. I hope this guide made the process smooth and straightforward, and I appreciate you following along. Feel free to rewind the video or reach out if you need any more assistance. Happy app exploring!